Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Dennis, and today I am so excited to do my second reaction to Diana Ankudinova. I hope I said it right. Diana Ankudinova. This is Blizzard. You guys showed so much love on my Wicked Game reaction. First off, thank you all so much. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for giving me a list of videos to react to next from Diana. She is such an amazing talent, and I forgot what you guys said that her vocal what her vocal type is. Contrada. I forgot what it was, so please forgive me. I did see it and I did look it up, but now I'm drawing a blank as to what it's called. I said unique several times, and I seen in the comment section where unique was really not, I guess, appropriate. That one of a kind was probably more appropriate, and you know what? I agree. One of a kind. I have never heard anything like her before, and when you guys started throwing out suggestions for second, third, fourth reactions, I just got excited. So today, second reaction for Diana. This is Blizzard. I have closed captioning turned on. I hope that it shows up. I can't remember if this one's in Russian or if it's Rinchekta. I can't remember what that one's, how that one is pronounced, but I believe that it's the river. I can't remember if that one's in Russian, which one of these in Russian, or maybe they're both in Russian. But whatever the case may be, I have closed captioning turned on. I hope they work. Sometimes in reactions they work, sometimes they don't. But I'm excited for this. I can't wait to see what else she does. I'm excited to be blown away. I'm kind of expecting a little bit of the same thing, but you know, there's many different turns down a winding road. So I'm excited to see what she brings to the table this time. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, take just 1 second out of your day, click the red subscribe button, and please make sure notifications are turned on. You won't miss out on future videos. You will be part of the King fam, and together we can reach that goal of 50,000 subscribers sooner rather than later. I need your help, so please subscribe to the channel. Backfist this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Our Instagram address is on the screen. The link is in the description box below. Go check us out over there. As always, please leave those suggestions, those requests down in the comment section. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here in Georgia in the United States. So let's go ahead and check out Diana.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
They trying to figure it out. I'm sitting here just enjoying it now. I'm just like, wow. Man, something's going on with the closed captioning. It's not working. I can't see the lyrics. That sucks. But you know what, man? If I can't see the lyrics and I'm just going to enjoy the performance, The setting is beautiful. It looks like there's snow falling. So it's another dark setting. It's very dramatic, very thematic. And I saw where somewhere that Diana is from musical theater. She knows how to play that role. She knows how to jump into a character and play that person that is fitting for the song and the tone of the song. I love it. She's doing great. The voice is just, it's on point too, man. She's so good.
со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым,
I mean, how can you not hit the buzzer for her? Like, she's full of energy. Like with the Wicked Game, she was kind of almost in one place, just kind of just, singing the song. Like, she's full of energy this time, and she's playing a part, and she's drawing you in. Like, she gets all energetic when the song's hitting kind of hard, and then she pulls it back and gets real kind of, well, not soft, but the song gets more quiet and more relaxed. And that's when she draws you in. When she's got you like this, you're on the edge of your seat. She pulls back and she draws you in. How could you not hit the buzzer for her? Let's go. No, I want more. No. You just end so abruptly like that. Oh, man. It leaves you wanting more. It leaves you wanting, and that's, but isn't that the old adage? You gotta leave the people wanting more. That's what that did for me. I'm sitting here wanting more, and because I want more, I'm going to back up a little bit. And I'm going to play a little bit more of it. I like the part where it's dialed back and it's kind of calm, a little bit more mellow. And then she brings it back up again. The bass of the song start hitting, the drums start hitting. She brings it back up again. And then everyone's just mesmerized. And not to mention here, let's go to this. 15 years old at this time. 15 years old, working the crowd, working the judges, working the cameras like this, playing the role of the song, delivering the vocal, so much energy, so much poise, so much control. 15 years old. Ridiculous. Oh, and one more thing. One more thing before I forget about this. I don't speak the language, so I don't know what she's saying. But one thing I can pay attention to, and I've said this about Dimash before, she does the same thing. You can hear every syllable. You can hear every sound of every word. The pronunciation, the enunciation is superb. You can hear everything. I love that. I love that. That is on point singing when you do that. Americans can get really lazy with pronunciation while they're singing. And sometimes it's the genre of music, and I get that. But I really appreciate it when you're singing something that's like this in this genre and you can hear everything. I love it. I'm going to play this again, listen to some more of it, let it play out. And yeah, let's keep going. And I hope it doesn't get blocked. I hope that I don't have to put anything over the screen, like over the video. I did before. I hope I don't have to do it this time. We'll see.
где-то
Like the emotion here, like she's really just kind of calm, kind of somber, but as it picks back up, the energy picks back up. This building, it's building up. Then leaves you wanting more. I'm going to listen to the applause because she deserves it. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Superb. Perfect. Perfect performance. I would have loved to have seen the lyrics to this. But you know what? Sometimes, and I say this all the time, whenever I do something that's not in English and I don't get the subtitles, you know, sometimes you don't need to know the lyrics of the song to appreciate just the vocal performance and the stage presence and just the overall beauty of what was just brought to the table. And from the sets, the lighting, the wardrobe, the staging, the performance, the playing on the crowd, the playing to the cameras, the judges. I mean, it's a perfect performance, and she deserved all 1, 2, 3, 4 of those green buttons. Great job. Is this like The Voice? Kind of like like we have The Voice, and I know other countries have The Voice. It's kind of what this is. They don't have the spinning chairs like they're looking the whole time. It's kind of, well, I would look. I think it's in Russian, and I think you guys told me what the competition was. It's just amazing, and I kind of want to know: did she win this competition? I kind of want to know: did she win? Let me know. Do I want to know, or do I want to find out for myself? I don't know. You guys, let me know, because it may be in Russian. I may not be able to read it. This is amazing. She is amazing. Thank you guys so much for suggesting Diana and for putting me on this journey. She's just amazing. I would have never, this is why I love YouTube. I would have never heard of her and all these other wonderful artists that we react to on the channel from around the world had it not been for YouTube, had it not been for the viewers, the subscribers. This is all thanks. It's all because of you. All because of you guys. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this reaction, backfist this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, take just 1 second out of your day, click the red subscribe button. Please make sure notifications are turned to all. You won't miss out on future videos. You will be a part of the King fam, and together we can dance toward 50,000 subscribers. I need your help, so please subscribe. The Instagram address is here on the screen. Link is in the description box below. Go follow us over there. Please leave those suggestions, those requests down in the comment section. Let me know if Diana won. Let me know if she won. And you also let me know what, give me an idea, a summary of what the song is about, what the lyrics are about. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next one.